Do you want to learn how to make some money online? Would you like to do that today? Do you consider yourself somebody that likes helping other people and contributing to charities and stuff like that? Well, if you're anything like me, I especially love helping other people, especially with making money. And in today's society, you guys, there are very, very rich people and there is people that just don't have any money. And I'm going to show you a very simple method today, how you can help out in your community, how you can donate to charities, and you can help yourself at the very same time making money online. And we're going to do this with our smartphones via 2 different applications. This can also be done on desktop and laptop computers. We're talking about Windows and Macs, and this can be done in 110 different countries. You guys, you're absolutely going to love what I have to share with you today. Make sure that you stick with me through this entire video, because I'm also going to share with you at the end of this video my unique secret of how I'm making money online. And it took me 15 years literally to figure out how to do this and how to do it right. And I'm going to share with you exactly how to get started and how you can be up and running in 15 days, making a significant full-time income online. If any of this sounds appealing to you, stick with me through this entire video. Do not skip ahead. Do not close that browser window, because you're not going to want to miss any of these steps. So let's jump straight into this video. Alrighty, you guys, are you ready to start making some money online? Make sure that you drop me a comment, even if you just say make money online. Let me know where you're from, anything at all, ask questions. I always appreciate the comments. Make sure that you smash that like button, you guys. All of this helps to grow this channel and get this information out to as many people as possible, because at the end of the day, that's what this is all about, you guys, is growing this channel and helping others, figure out how they can make money online and actually make a significant amount of money online if that is what they wish. We're talking about breaking free from your 9-to-5, firing your boss, you guys, and literally living the laptop lifestyle. It's not going to happen overnight, but I can show you exactly how to get started. So without further ado, just like I said, let's get straight into this video. This is going to be a good one. All right, you guys, so let's get started making some money. The name of this first application that I want to talk to you about is called Wow App, and they really have a really great cause that I get really excited about, because they're really trying to help people. They're trying to help put money in your pocket as well through activities that you're doing every single day anyways. This application is very, very highly rated. If we check it out over here in the Google Play Store, you can see that this has been rated by 46,881 people, rated 4 stars. That is a very, very significant rating for that amount of people rating this application. So people absolutely love this application. If we jump back over to their website here, you can see this is actually February 19th, 2020. And these are real earnings right now from existing members around the world, people making money. I thought that was really neat that they actually show that going on right there. And the way that you're actually making money with this application, you guys, is through things that you're doing every single day anyways. Wow App offers 8 unique ways to earn money doing good from activities that you do every single day, you guys. These guys are paying out via PayPal, and they're also making micro donations for all the activities that you're doing on this app to charities. Now, you can actually donate your money to charity as well if you wish to do so. That is completely up to you. And they have 8 different methods that you can actually earn through this application, you guys, and they're things that you're doing every single day. These are things such as like chatting and reading the news. If you're anything like me, I love to read the news, and I'm definitely chatting on my phone every single day. You can be doing things on your computer and the web. You can do an instant earn feature where you're watching videos, performing mobile tasks, and taking surveys. So if you like doing things like that, you guys, it doesn't get much easier. Literally watching videos and taking surveys, providing your opinion. You can also, if you are a gamer, they have up to 800 different games that you can play on your mobile and on your PC. So if you like to play games, you can earn money that way. They also have a feature where you can actually shop and earn cash back from over 10,000 different online shops and 42 million different products. So Amazon, I know people are definitely using Amazon, and there's all kinds of different online stores now. So you can use this as well and do your shopping online and earn money that way as well. You can even earn money by browsing the internet and reading news, completing surveys, and shopping online again. So they have a smart web feature. They have a smart slide feature where they're showing you different advertisements on your lock screen. You don't have to actually look at these advertisements. You can simply swipe them away, but you can earn money doing that as well. You can also earn money just talking and making free international phone calls through the Wow app. So a lot of great different ways, all these different things. You are doing good and help making a difference in the world. Like I said, Every action within the WOW app will benefit up to 5 chosen charities in the form of daily micro donations. This happens automatically through the app. And then if you choose to do so, you can donate up to 100% of your earnings to the WOW app as well. If you don't want to donate your earnings, you do not have to do that. You can simply choose to get paid out. But I thought it's pretty unique that you can help contribute to income inequality throughout the world by doing things that you're doing every single day anyways, and make money for yourself at the same time. And this is available in 110 different countries, and it's a very well respected app, you guys. 46,881 people seem to think so, giving it a 4-star rating. Moving right along here, the name of this second application that I want to share with you guys is called Premise. And again, another application that I absolutely love here, because what they're trying to do is help people within the communities that you are already living in. And you can do this through your mobile devices, because this is available in the Google Play Store as well as the Apple App Store. If we take a look at it over here in the Google Play Store, you can see that this has been rated by 50,581 people, roughly 4-star rating there. So that's a lot of people that absolutely love this application to get a rating like that. If we jump back over to their website right here, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning money within this application right here. If you just check this out right up at the top, you can earn money by exploring your city and literally by sharing your local knowledge and help improve your community. This is why I wanted to include this application in this video, because again, you're helping people within your community, and I thought it was just a great fit to include with the WOW app. So you can be getting paid by literally by taking pictures and answering very simple questions, and join a global network of over 1 million Premise contributors within 70 different countries. And Premise helps humanitarian aid organizations, governments, and for-profit companies by answering crucial questions. This can be by completing tasks. You can help these groups understand how many health clinics are in a city, infrastructural improvements that are needed, or the price of certain products in stores. So this might include you going into stores and actually taking pictures of products that are on shelves and stuff like that. You guys, it's very, very simple. Just how it works: you download the Premise app, create an account, select your payment method, enter your account information, and then you're going to be completing your first task. These guys pay out in via PayPal. They also pay in cryptocurrencies as well. So really, really cool, fun ways to get paid doing things within your city and sharing your local knowledge. And once you've completed these tasks, you are ready to cash out. If you have any more questions, you can click right here. They have a great frequently asked questions section that you can click on and go through there and get more in-depth answers. Just looking at this right now, you can see if you want to know more about how this works, how you become a contributor, where Premise is available, you can click on that. And it really, goes down in depth of exactly what you need to be doing to make money within this application. All right, you guys, go out there, download these applications, start helping out your community, helping people around the world. This is a great way to make some extra money. But ultimately, you guys, what I ultimately recommend is that you take the money that you make from these applications, because you're not going to make, nothing life-changing. It's going to be some extra cash, to buy some things on the side, to buy some gifts, to buy some food, stuff like that. It's not going to be life-changing results. If you want life-changing results, you need to check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of this description and start a real online business where you can quit your 9-to-5, fire your boss, get time back on your side, you guys. Live a laptop lifestyle and literally grow a business through the roof that you can actually make a significant amount of money at. Then you want to check out that #1 description. You can be up and running within 15 days. I have a great team behind me that will reach out to you and help you get started doing this. I've been at it for so long, trying to make money online and trying all kinds of different crazy businesses, wasting my time, wasting my money, getting frustrated. If you want a step-by-step process that shows you exactly what you need to be doing, a blueprint, if you will, of exactly what you need to be doing online to make money, that is what you want to check out. I cannot recommend that enough. Save yourself the time, save yourself the frustration, get started in 2020, invest in yourself, and make it happen. I know you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. That's all I have for you guys today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.